Shenzhen Merpower Electronic Company Limited, established in 2005. It is a national high-tech enterprise, have 19 years experiences. We always adhere to and only do power products. Is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of outdoor camping power bank, laptop power bank, PD power bank, emergency storage battery, outdoor battery pack. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our products have passed the UL CE FCC ROS UN 38.3 MSDS certification. The factory has passed the BSCI ISO 9001 certification and is insured by PICC Global Liability. We have been adhering to the professional manufacturers of 100% aging test for sale, 100% incoming material full inspection online, 100% batch sampling reliability test, and product after sales failure rate less than 5%. Our products have many different capacity options, and more high capacity is under development, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are sold all over the world and are recognized by the majority of consumers. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.